Hello, today we're going to learn how to add events to our events calendar. Our calendar is titled Website Calendar, and to add an event to this, we'll just go to our Google Calendars, and if you just go to google.com and then click on Calendar, it should take you to this page. Now, when we create an event, we'll add a title to the event. Make sure we select the day that we want to add it on. If we want it all day, we can select that tab. If not, we can just select the time that we want this to start. The last step is to make sure that we're on the right calendar, and just make sure that we select that from the calendars menu. Next, select save, and our soccer match will be added as an example event. Now, since it's on this calendar, when we refresh our website calendar, it should also add it to this. On my end, I will add the event in the Events tab and on the Events page. I hope that helps, and have a good day.